Yeah.
Do something, you horrible hound!
I've still got some new tricks! Things are gonna get rough!
Now that looks like fun. So I think I'll join him!
Time for Megazord action.
That is my cue to scram.
Rangers, come meet your doom!
So you want a rematch?
Bring your Zords!
Send in the T-Rex Champion Zord.
Triceratops Zord!
Inklo Hammer Zord! Tiger Claw Zord!
Stego Spike Zord!
A bunch of fossils! Don't scare me!
Let's show Boom Tower something new.
Zords for fun!
Let's do this!
Dino Fury Megazord, Warrior Formation!
It won't be enough! Let go, fools!
Well, you asked for it. Bite Blast! Nice! Now stay on it!
Yeah! Yep!
Double Dino Slash!
My turn! Inklo Blast!
Stego Drill!
Yikes! That won't do! Earn your keep, you mangy mutt!
I'm behind you!
Ow! Oh, I made a huge mistake!
Whoopsie!
Down, doggy!
This dog's days are done!
I gotcha! Oh, what a waste of talent! He was gonna sing at my birthday party!
Now it comes down to me! Ready or not, Rangers! Here comes the boom! Oh!
Incoming Cannon Blast! We can counter it from above. Ready? Jump!
Boom blast!
I've had it with this guy. Mega Fury Saber!
Megazord! Dino Mega Slash!
She destroyed my scanner. She'll pay.
Stop right there.
I won't forget this. Let's go.
Hey, Mel. Are you okay?
Well, I'm fine, thanks to you. And you sound familiar. Have we met?
No. Now, they may come back, so please get the safe.
Yes, of course. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, real smooth.
Shockhorn could grow giant any minute. You need to find him and stop him from hurting anyone while I activate my Zord.
So we might finally see a Zord?
Let's go.
No one will call me Little Horsey ever again!
Whoa, there he is. Yikes.
So when Zord said giant, what he meant was ginormous.
Let's try out some boost keys.
Got it. I'll attack from above.
Okay, Solon. Activate my Zord.
Let's hope this works. Deploying T-Rex Champion Zord.
Oh boy, this big guy needs slowing down. Gravity Dino Key. Ready. Gravity Ball. Whoa, that was amazing. Your turn, Ollie.
Hyper boost.
Whoa! Oh man! Finally, a Zord!
Now it's time to finish this beast. T-Rex Champion Zord, battle mode.
All right! Cool!
Let us show you what we can do. Stay here.
But
Hello, old friend. Linked! T-Rex Champion Zord, battle mode. Ready? Then let's go! T-Rex Barrage! Tail Lash! Shift to T-Rex Fist! Mega Fury Saber! T-Rex Champion Chomp! Where did she go?
Huh?
no way.
Oh, yikes. That's one massive Medusa. If she's giant, does that mean we need our...
Solon, are the Tricera and Ankylosaurs ready?
Almost. I'll deploy the T-Rex Champion Zord while they boot up.
Our Zords! Yes!
I know what I have to do. Link to Morphin Grid! We can't pilot our Zords blindfolded, so try to take out those eyes on her chest.
Got it.
battle mode! T-Rex Champion Zord, battle mode. Shift to T-Rex Fist. No time for a giant blindfold.
Solon, we really want to help Zord.
Then you're gonna love what's coming your way.
Check out that blade!
Time to hammer this monster. Attack her! We need a plan.
We gotta think tactically. Huh. We just need to cover up her eyes.
But how?
I know. Zords, use the road. Your Tricera blade can cut up the concrete.
Oh, the Ankylot tail can smash it! Hover Dino key! Ready! Hover, hold! Let's hit the road!
Fix it quick!
No! My evil eyes!
Good work, team. She can't freeze us now. Let's finish her together. Throw your keys towards the Zords.
Zords! Combine!
Megazord!
This is wild! Ollie, we gotta get a selfie in this thing!
Guys? Giant monster to fight?
Right. Sorry.
Dino Fury Megazord!
Follow my lead.
Got it!
Yeah!
Let's end this. Mega Fury Saber. Dino Fury Megazord, Mega Slash!
Dino Fury Victory!
Thank you, Izzy, but because of me, you're dead last. It's just a race. You needed help.
Are you two okay?
It's her ankle.
Come on. You'll be okay.
I know that laugh.
Start the drill, Mucus.
It tickles! And wow, it sure feels powerful! How long will it take for the bomb to drill down to those Zords?
So, you think you found our Zords?
Yeah, we did. And they're about to be rubble.
Not with me around. My Zord is close. Time to save it. Link to Morphin Grid!
Too late, Green Ranger. The Zords will go kaboom in just minutes.
Guys, you there?
Izzy, please. Please give us good news.
I found our Zords.
Yes! Right.
But Boom Tower and Mucus have a bomb that's drilling into the ground to destroy them.
Hey, that's bad news. What part of give us good news didn't you get?
Brine Blast attacks are really raining down on us.
And now he's reloading.
We need to get the Zords away from that bomb. But I can't get through a whole mountain. Unless... Guys, lure Brine Blast here and get him to blast the mountain.
Great idea, Izzy. Come on, team. Let's run our own race.
Hey! Get back here! You can't outrun me! I have great cardio!
Then come and get us.
Let's hope this works. Yes! Go Tiger Claw Zord!
Bad kitty!
Welcome back, old friend.
Here, push!
Zords combined! We did it, team! Just in time! Dino Fury Megazord! Claw formation! Let's try the jet boost.
I'm out of juice!
Mega Fury Saber. Dino Fury Megazord.
Tiger Mega Slash.
Dino Fury victory!
Wait!
Dino Fury Megazord!
Let's take him out.
That just tickles! My turn!
Heads up.
Yes! Kneel before me!
I hope Javi's having more luck than us.
Oh, man. Here, Zordy Zordy. Come to Javi. Hey, Solon, it worked! He's awesome.
Great! Get to the city. The others need your help.
Ready for round 2?
Brace for impact!
Boom blast!
Huh? What just happened?
Wow! Look at him go!
Hey, Stego. It's been a long time. So, Javi, how do you like your Zord?
Man, I give it a 10 out of 10 for spikiness. What do you say? You want to join forces?
Sounds like just the extra power we need. Let's do it!
Oh yeah! Zords combined! Ha! Great timing! Good wouldn't leave my team hanging. Linked!
Dino Fury Megazord, Spike Formation!
Let's see what our pointy boy can do.
So, you really want a round 3, huh? Fine, let's rumble!
Yes!
No, it's my job to destroy the Rangers, and business is booming!
Quick, before he can fire!
Stego spikes!
Mega Fury Saber!
Dino Fury Megazord! Stego Mega Punches!
You think that's enough to stop me? Wait! It is!
Dino Fury Victory!